Well, that's fun. Glance. Look. So I'm gonna be loud as hell. Yeah, okay. Okay. That would be so cool. Tell me that would not be cool. I'm glancing. I'm glancing. And we'll get to reading a lot too. You need to do a lot. I need to start that one over. Number margin for blah, 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 blah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that does make sense. Yeah. Number 5. I don't know why I put this here. I like the way you roll. Is that enough waves? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay. Hey guys! You know when you think about something like too deep, it's almost like you forget how to do it? Like walking. Like if you really, no, breathing. Breathing's a great one. If you think about breathing, then all of a sudden you're like, Georgia perimeter home.